Hey all, this is Norm from Parable Traders. It is October 22nd, 2018. Quick recap for you today. One of the things a few of the guys and I in the room have been talking about, contemplating, is getting out too early, patience, working on exits. It's been in quite a few of our recaps recently. So the alternative is to get chopped up, stopping out early, getting jittery, seeing something go against you, even though the trade is working in your favor, to see it go a little bit against you and get out worried it's going to come back, take some profit too early. So anyway, today I set out this morning before I started trading that I wasn't going to do that. I was going to let this play out, see how it played out. It's going to be a little test of patience maybe, or practice of keeping to stops or exits, planning a trade and trading that plan. So today, I took one trade. It was on CZR. You can see in the pre-market, I had noted a level of 951, which was the pre-market low down here, right there, 7:05 this morning Eastern. So it opened, it was down, but it was higher than that this morning. Gave it the first 5 minutes, tried to figure out which direction it was going to go. Once it got this lower high right here and started to go at VWAP again, I went ahead and took it long. Not a huge share size, but took it long there. It was 987. My stop loss would have been up here at the high at 995. That was the high of pre-market. And then my goal was at 951. So I sat on this trade all day long. It was a total of 4 hours and 58 minutes until I was completely out of my position. So Eastern time, I got in this at 9:38, right there, and it just for a brief second or two came close to my stop, but I was a few cents away, so I stayed in the trade like I told myself I would. I let it go. It held all these moving averages, pulled VWAP down, popped up. This tested VWAP, but shot down immediately all day long till it hit my target. I got out a quarter of my shares at 951. I was going to try to get it to break 950. I had another level and then 940s, but to see if it got there. It didn't. Once it held this 950 level, I took another half and I had a tiny bit left, which when it started to turn here, I went ahead and got out. My eyes were bleeding from watching this trade. Yes, I got up, I walked around, I did some stuff, but a 5 hour trade like that is not super exciting. So anyway, I was happy that I stuck to my plan. I was happy that my trade worked out the way that I wanted it to. It's just, proof. Your exit makes your trade, because I could have gotten jumpy anywhere in here and not made much on it. But instead, it went ahead and hit exactly the target that I thought it would, and it worked out. So thanks for watching.